Grant, thanks very much. Busy day for you, and thanks very much for coming on the show.
Yeah, thanks very much, Andrew, for having me. Thank you.
As far as I can see, the Veren shareholders will have a slightly bigger holding in the merged company, but it's being called a takeover by Whitecap because you and your management team will be running the thing.
Yeah, I mean, it is really a merger of relatively equals. I mean, through all the different components, their shareholders, the Veren shareholders, will own 52% of the combined entity, and ourselves owning 48%. And in a situation like this, I mean, we expected, we knew the market was going to react the way this was. We were projecting it. 96% of the time, the buyer, which is ourselves, gets shorted by the ARB funds, and they go along the seller in this particular situation. But we have to look at this as really a combination of the two, and it all equalizes out over time. So from that perspective, we think it is a marvelous opportunity base going forward. Not just current production, but the inventory base is world class.
You are paying a premium there, though. Raymond James says it's a premium for the Veren shareholders of about 40% over Friday's close.
Yeah, we look at that over a 20-day period of time. It's actually between 28 to 30% premium, but their asset base deserves that at this particular time. And what that does is when you put it together with us, it still is 10% accretive to us on a cash flow and 26% accretive on free cash flow for us. Their shareholders get the advantage of not only the premium, but secondarily taking their dividend up to our dividend, which is 73 cents versus 46 cents. And the combined entity has the potential from a multiple perspective to re-rate. So those are the three components for both sets of shareholders in this situation to win.
And this makes you a big player in the Montney and Duvernay, for example.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at the asset base, you become, one of the largest, if not the largest, for sure in the Duvernay from a production and base, and the third largest in the Montney, but the largest land base in Western Canada. So these are very, very premium assets that have been put together, Veren independently of ourselves and ourselves as well. So we're excited about the go-forward entity going forward. We talk about a production base of 370,000 BOE per day, and of that, we have the production of 220,000 BOE per day in the Montney and Duvernay, and 150,000 in our conventional assets in Saskatchewan and Central Alberta. So high netback, low decline assets that continue to provide significant funds flow for us as we advance forward.
So you'll now have about 63% of your production liquids, but then, so quite a big natural gas weighting?
Yeah, I mean, we end up with about, on combination, just over 800 million a day of natural gas production as well. So we talk about being, oil, light oil and condensate, liquid and liquids, which is 63% of our production. About 235,000 BOE per day of light oil, NGLs, and then the 800 million a day or 810 million a day of natural gas production as well.
And the dividend, sorry, you touched on this. Now, your dividend, it's been healthy at north of 7%, but the merged entity, that's the plan, that it will still have a dividend yield in that range?
Yeah, we think that there could be, with the scale and relevance, we anticipate that might, the yield may come down into that 6 range, between 5 to 6 as we advance forward. But in the meantime, it's a very healthy dividend for both our shareholders and now the Veren shareholders.
So this gives you more, obviously you're a bigger player. It gives you more negotiating power with suppliers, for example, I guess service operators?
Yeah, what we believe is on the drilling and completion side, I think when you're putting this much capital to work on an annual basis, between, right around this $2.5 billion of capital being put into the market, that does give you better negotiating power. And it also helps from an operating cost perspective. We think the synergies in this operation from operating cost, capital, and what we'll call corporate costs will be about $200 million of increased savings for the combined shareholder base. Yes, we're going to have to pay some one-time fees at closing, but as we move forward into the back half of the year and into 2026, this can be a very, very well-oiled machine to advance forward on.
And then 4 Veren directors join your board. How many will be on the board once they come on?
So there's a total of 11, 7 from Whitecap. 1, I'm included in the 7. Mm-hmm. And then Craig Brixa, the president and CEO of Veren. Right. We're fortunate enough to bring him on board as well. They will have 4. So of the 11, it's 7 and 4. And the 3 from the additional 3 to Craig will be selected here over the next 2-week period of time. We're just going through the interview process with that right now.
And that's interesting. As you say, often when you get a takeover, the issuer of the stock, the acquirer, will see shorting by the ARB funds. Do you think you'll get pushback, though, from shareholders saying, well, look, on a per-share basis, is this going to be great for me, Grant?
It should be. Once we get the information out into the market, for sure, from a per-share perspective, there is definitely a significant amount of growth that's taken place. And even on a per-share basis, when you look at the combined entity being between $3.10 and $3.20 cash flow per share versus $2.85, that's a big lift for shareholders. In essence, on both sides. So sharing of that relationship for both sets of shareholders has been important to us. I know we've had so many conversations with not only their Craig Brixa, who was very adamant about that he had to make sure that his shareholders were dealt with fairly, but also with their board and our board of directors. So we were trying to find a balance, and I think we struck a very good balance here. Massive growth going forward, and a very good opportunity base right at the front end for both sets of shareholders to do well.
Grant, but we've only got about 20 seconds. How much sleep have you had over the past week?
Not much, especially over the last couple of days. Our team and their team have been working very actively in all aspects of it from a management perspective, and many lawyers involved on this particular portfolio.
Well, I'm sure you'll be busy for the next while, but I hope you get to kick back with a small dry sherry before too long. Thank you very much, Grant. Really appreciate it.